All right, Mr. Chaudhry. What did you think about the 24/7 experience?
24/7 was recommended by my neighbor here, Mr. Brandon, and I'm glad that I took his advice and get connected with 24/7. Uh, it's a one stop for hail damage, but since I contacted them, they took over. I don't have to deal with my insurance company. Uh, 24/7 did all the work for me, dealing with the insurance company, and they got the approval for the roof and the other hail damages, and that's the reason I like 24/7. It's like a one-stop shopping, and they take care of your hail damage.
Yes, sir. Did anybody stand out specifically through the process?
Throughout the process, Jamie was a very good communicator. She kept me posting daily or every week what's happening, what is the status for, and if was anything missing, she will take care of it. She will follow up on it and ask me if that's completed to my satisfaction. And to me, she stands out with all the working through.
Absolutely. Were you happy with the ending product?
Oh yes, I'm very glad and I'm pleased with the work they have completed. Hail damage is multiple, uh, not only the roof, it deals with your fence, your paints and other stuff, your windows, screens, and 24/7 took care of everything for me.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chaudhry.
You're welcome.